Hello my people, welcome again to Glatory. On my today's video I'll show you how I made these Oreo cookies. This is very easy cookie you can make on your own. Why don't you give it a try? Please watch to the end. Here I added the unsalted butter. I will whisk it until it's soft and fluffy. I added powdered sugar. Some people call it icing sugar. So I'll mix everything to well combine. Please whisk it until it's so fluffy. I switched to my spatula because I think it makes the work much easier. You can see it's already fluffy. Yeah. I added my flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and salt. I will sieve everything to avoid lumps. I added my vanilla flavor. So I'll be listing out all the ingredients that I use, the right measurement on my description. Please feel free to check it out. So now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of full cream milk. So I'll be mixing it in to form a dough. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, please remember to subscribe on my channel at Glatory and follow my page at Glatory Flavors, okay? And please like my video, comment and share. So here you see it's already formed the dough. I divided into 2, so I'll be kneading it out.
One of the best. Tori, I think it's the best. Go ahead. Go on, Tori. Her, Tori. Tori, you're the best!
So now I'm using this round cookie cutter to cut it out. So I have to weed out the excess. So I have to transfer it on my baking tray. You can see already. Now I have to dice it. I'm using real Oreo cookie for this mold, so I'm using it as my mold to press it on top of each dough to form the Oreo. You can see it came out so well. So I have to bake it for 10 minutes. This is after baking. You can see. So good. Hope you get to try this. So remember to subscribe if you have not done so, and like my video. Please comment and please share. So I have to leave it out to cool off. Came out so well. Yeah, some of them were plain because I choose not to dice it on top. So now I have to prepare the filling. Here I use this unsalted butter. So I have to mash it until it's soft and fluffy. So I added my vanilla flavor. So I'll be listing out all the ingredients that I use for the cookie and for the filling. Here I added my powdered sugar, which is icing sugar. So I'm adding it bit by bit. So you need to keep mixing it until it forms the dough. You can see it's already formed the dough. So I have to wrap it and set it aside to get ready for the filling. So now is the time for the finishing part. So I have to put the filling and combine 2 Oreo cookies together. So if you have watched me up to this moment and you have not subscribed, I wonder what you're waiting for. Please subscribe to my channel and follow my page. Like my video, comment, and please share so that others will see my video and also benefit from it. You can see it came out so well. Hope you get to try this recipe. This is very easy. If you can make it, why don't you try it and see if you can do it? And if you can do it, why do you need to buy it? This is very easy recipe. You can do it on your own. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.